it's your girl Nizzy, and I'm back. This time I was sharing with you guys, I've been seeing this Drunken blush anime kind of makeup, so I just decided to play with it, and let me say I absolutely love doing this makeup. Like, it looks so cute, like, oh my god, I feel all like kawaii and stuff or whatever, but like I absolutely love this makeup. So it was super easy to do. I'll definitely show you guys everything that I did. Also, I'll leave a list of products on my Instagram, so make sure you guys follow me at Nizzysplayhouse. Yeah, so yeah, check that out. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then stay tuned. Alright y'all, so first off, I did my brows off camera. You know how I do. Then for today's look, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. Then I'm taking that orange and I'm just kind of packing that in the crease. Just saturating that color, making sure that I'm building it up to, you know, the intensity that I need. And I found that packing it is way more easier. Then I'm going in with that brown shade and I'm just blending it out in the lower crease, just to deepen that crease up. I'm using the Morphe M507 brush for this. It's a little bit more tapered and I can get like off in there, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm just putting that brown in, and then I'm making sure that I, you know, feather that brown into, you know, the middle so that it's a smooth transition for when I go ahead and cut my crease. And then to cut the crease, I am using the ColourPop concealer in the shade Fair 02. You guys know I always use this to, you know, cut creases and set bases when I'm doing bright, you know, bright looks, honey. So yeah, so I'm just, you know, go ahead and cut my crease. I'm doing a half cut crease. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. And it's kind of gonna fade out on the ends. So just kind of like fade it out. Don't go all the way. And like I said, this part really takes a lot of time. So take your time, sis. Next, I'm going ahead and I'm packing this kind of purple lavender shade on my lid. This color is so pretty. Like, this is the main reason why I wanted to do this look, because of that shade. So I'm just packing that on, making sure that it's, you know, covered everywhere. And then I'm making sure that I'm going ahead and blending in that brown color. You guys know, make sure you want to get those two shades blended together for a seamless, effortless motherfucking slay or whatever. I did use the e.l.f. liquid liner today. You know, I do that off camera because I struggle city. For today's lashes, these are from Anadol's Vault, and yeah, I'll leave the link down below on where you can purchase. Now we're gonna get into the face part. I go ahead and use my primer, and then I go ahead and add in some highlighter, just so that I can have that under foundation glow or whatever, and just buff that in my skin like so, getting all of it up in there, you know what I'm saying? Then I use the Black Radiance red color corrector, and I'm just color correcting all my dark areas, making sure that everything, you know, is brought to the light. You know, get those bags and stuff covered up, because we don't want that. Now what I'm using is the dynamic duo I like to call the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop and the Maybelline SUPERSTAY. These two work great alone, so they work even better together. You know what Neo said, it's a movement by itself, but a force when they're together. So yeah, these mugs is bomb. So now I'm just patting that in with my beauty blender, making sure that it's like nice and on my skin. I found out that like if you do it this way, it like looks, you know, much better. Then I'm going in with my Milani concealers. These have been my favorites so far. They are a little pricey. They're like 10-11 bucks, but it is so worth it. So I did use two shades on the cheekbone, just because I like that bright under eye look. And I'm just going ahead and I'm just, you know, blending that out or whatever, getting that all blended out and stuff. Then now I'm going in and with my Cover FX contour palette, and I'm just chiseling out my cheekbones and, you know, creating that, you know how we do, create that contour. Now I'm going in with the blush. Now is the part that we all have been waiting for, the blush on the nose. So what I did is I just kind of like stamped and blended up a little bit where you regularly would not. So basically, like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, I just went on my nose and then I just kind of like went out a little bit. And I mean, it looked so cute. Like, I really want to do this all the time now. Like, I'm literally obsessed. So that was basically it. Now I'm just doing my lips. I am using an eyebrow pencil. Same thing. I couldn't find my damn lip
lip liner, so I use that. And I don't know what lipstick I used today. I'm sorry. I know it's some pink stuff, the beauty supply, so yeah. Then for the freckles, I did use an eyebrow powder. Like I said, I don't know the brand. I'm so sorry. Like I said, it's a beauty supply brand, and it came like unmarked. So yeah, what I did is I just created little dots on, and that's using powder. And then I went ahead and sealed it in with my Beverly setting spray, just to lock everything in. And then I went in and for some added highlight with my Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan shade, and just brighten those areas up or whatever. But yeah, that is it, you guys. That is all for today's tutorial. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys are gonna try this drunken blush look, or even the freckles. Like, it's such an added pop to your makeup look. So yeah, let me know down in the comments box any comments, questions, concerns. And as always, thanks for watching.